How to convert a vertical video into a horizontal video or landscape video in Capcut PC. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how you can easily convert a vertical video into landscape video in just few simple steps. So without wasting your time, let's get started. So to convert a vertical video into a landscape video or horizontal video in Capcut PC, I have this video file in the vertical format. So if I want to make this vertical video into horizontal or landscape video, I will just click on this aspect ratio value, and here you will see all the formats for the aspect ratio. If I want to make this landscape or horizontal video, I have to just click on this 16:9 ratio, and you can see the aspect ratio of the video has been changed. And from here you can adjust the size of the video according to your choice, and from here like this I can change the size. You can see here I have successfully changed the vertical video into horizontal or landscape video in my project file in Capcut PC. So guys, in this way you can easily convert your vertical video into a horizontal video in Capcut PC. If this video is helpful for you, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.